So remember when I said I'm gonna install an air conditioner? Today's that episode. Let's go. So what I'm gonna use right now would be this. This is the old air vent to the refrigerator that ran off of propane, 12 volt and 110. Got it removed because I'm not using that, and I installed this window unit in place. There was a intake right here and an exhaust up there. Same shape, same design. So what we're gonna do is pop this cover off, cut a hole, and install a regular window unit. The reason why I'm going with a window unit is because they're, quite frankly, just way cheaper than an RV air conditioning unit. The dimensions for most 5,000 BTU units are roughly 17 inches wide by 12 inches tall, so they're pretty small. And that vent right there is roughly 24 by 24, so I have a lot of room to make this thing work. So let's see what we can do. So I cut out a template here. This is roughly the size of what a window unit would be. I'm just gonna see what it looks like in that space over there and then line it, cut a couple of holes, and jigsaw it right out. And we should have a rough opening where a window unit would fit. Alright, so got the hole cut. Now what you're probably wondering is, what exactly am I going to do with this hole? Am I just going to drive around with a big old unit hanging off of the coach roughly about this far? No. What I'm going to do is actually put it on a slide. This is the slide I picked up from Amazon right here. Holds roughly 100 pounds. So essentially this is what I'm looking at right here. While the vehicle is in motion, this will come into the vehicle. Air conditioning unit will slide in, and when it's in use, she pops out like that. So I did notice that I lost about a ½ an inch due to this rail right here. So I notated these lines, and I'm just gonna cut out a channel for them to ride in. With what?
My webcam. There's a bunch of different parts in there.
So I'm gonna use this 2x3 right here, like so. So I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been some days later. I really had a hard time just having the urge to vlog. I just wanted to get the work done, and I did. So let's pick up where we left off. So I'm happy with the actual fitment. I have a piece of so I'm happy with the fitment. It's really, really tight when it comes to clearance. So I'm really happy with the fitment. It's got a really tight clearance when the air conditioning unit slides in through that wall panel right there. I am going to use this aluminum L. It's 2 inches by 2 inches, and it's going to go around the outside of the air conditioner unit. And there's going to be a gasket of some sort that pushes up against the wall so it'll be airtight. Basically, my plan is to affix this aluminum L to the air conditioner unit with double-sided tape. I'm going to use the VHB 3M stuff. Alright, so I threw on some of these brackets right here to make sure that VHB tape was nice and tight and also hold the position. So, push it against the wall and get a nice tight seal all the way around. Now I do have the wall bowing out right here because I didn't put any adhesive because I knew I was cutting this hole out. So I'm going to remove this, throw some adhesive back there, and then get the wall permanently adhered. Sorry that took forever. I'm going to try to get better at vlogging on a more continuous basis. Sometimes I get into a good rhythm, and sometimes I just really want to work and get the stuff done so I can get on the road. We got about a year left to work on Chappie, and that's to get him completely road ready. So I'm probably going to close it here. Seriously appreciate you hanging in there, watching these videos, subscribing, sharing. Check me out on Instagram. That's more of a as I'm working kind of thing, not vlog style. I just do little clips and blurbs on what I'm currently doing on the rig at that moment in time. And follow me. You'll get more updated content on that platform. So, thanks for following along. Please like, keep commenting, and subscribing. We'll see ya. Thanks.